Let's look at the difference between contacts, customers, and locations. Think of a customer as an account, the business or entity that pays the bills, and invoices, statements will be payable by the customers. Locations, on the other hand, belong to customers. You can have internal locations as well, as in your own stores or warehouses or offices, but each customer may have one or more location. If a national customer has 3 or 5 offices, each of those will be a location. So when you sell to a customer, you most probably will deliver to a specific location for that customer, or have a meeting at a specific location. And then finally, contacts also belong to customers in a sense, or they relate to customers. Think of a customer that has a receptionist. The receptionist is a contact at that customer. You may have an MD and a sales director and a procurement director, or procurement manager, or HR manager. All those people are contacts at that specific customer account. So when you do create a customer, you may need to also create some additional contacts for that customer. And on top of that, a contact can technically stand by itself. So you may have a contact that does not belong to a current customer. It may be a prospective customer you are trying to bring into the business. But contacts themselves can actually belong to suppliers and other entities as well. So when you manage your customers on the system, you need to remember to keep the customer accounts updated, the contacts updated, and any specific locations belonging to those customers updated as well.